Welcome to How to 360's Kitchen Creations. Let's make some Swedish nut wafers. Hej and welcome. Today we're mastering the classic Swedish nut wafer, delicately crisp, buttery and nutty. You'll need butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, almond meal and a pinch of salt. Preheat oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Step 1. Cream butter and sugar on medium speed for about 3 minutes until pale. Then beat in 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla until smooth. Sift in the flour, almond meal and a pinch of salt, folding gently to keep the batter light. Spoon teaspoonfuls onto the sheet, then flatten each into a thin 6 centimeter circle. Thin is key for crispness. Bake 10 to 12 minutes. Watch as the edges turn that perfect nut brown color. Allow wafers to cool 5 minutes on the sheet before transferring. They crisp up as they cool. Light, buttery, nutty perfection. Tack for idag. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and try these Swedish nut wafers at home.